In this video I show in details how I make wooden blocks when I need them quickly. So while you are watching, I can start telling you why in the first place I bother about making wooden blocks myself. You can certainly buy them online and they will cost you about 100 euro or dollars per item, plus sending them to your place. Yes, and that's not a big problem. But on my board, for example, I have about 25 wooden blocks, and it will cost you something around 2.5 thousand euros. So, okay, if you are a millionaire, you can buy everything, and it will be of very good quality. Will look nice. So it is the first reasons. I save money. The second reason, I live in Norway, and if I order something from somewhere, it will take at least 2 weeks before I get them. I needed these blocks now. And maybe a third reason, the blocks you buy will be nearly perfect. But the blocks you make yourself and quickly, they look not that perfect. They look handmade. And I like it. And maybe the main reason because I just like doing things. This time I use egg, and this is egg that I have not bought anywhere. I got it from a shipyard when I helped to repair an old wooden Norwegian boat. So this is a high quality egg, and it has some kind of history behind. I could spend a little bit more time polishing the block, but I did not want, because they look a little bit better when they are not perfect, and this time I need a quick solution. I didn't need a perfect block. These four blocks are not meant to work under high load or in many demanding conditions, so I made these wheels of 8. Otherwise I would probably buy some brass wheels or even plastic wheels, but I really don't use plastic anywhere, and the pins would be of stainless steel. These wooden pins would probably not tolerate a very high load, but these blocks are not meant to be under very high stress, so wooden pins will be okay. Otherwise, I would buy somewhere on the internet some stainless steel ones. So the block is finally ready. If I want, I can later varnish it, but I don't need it now. And the only thing that I cannot translate to you is how nice it smells.